Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Wednesday, 29 November 2023, I have some potential trade setups to discuss where I will try to get long on the New Zealand, the Australian dollar, the pound and short on the Canadian dollar, the US dollar and the euro. My first pick of today is a potential long on the pound Swiss. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The pound Swiss, pound much stronger than the Swiss. Nice swing yesterday up the page. The retracement brings us back to these highs. That area there, right at the 50% level. That's my first level to watch. And then I also like this level, the resistance and the support, and then if you test it again, I would like to look for some long bullish reversals. In the US Swiss, we are short here on the 4-hour charts from up there. We have trailed the stop loss yesterday on the live stream up to this high, plus a little bit of slippage, and we also got a very nice trade yesterday on the 1-hour charts. We saw the test, the bearish engulfing scared us a little bit and then came back down, missed our target by half a pip or so, and then came back last night and hit that. If you want to follow these trades on the charts, I do the live stream every day on YouTube where I show all the trades that I take based on my YouTube videos. I show the stops, the targets, and I make comments on almost an hourly basis. So the 4-hour trade is now still open. While the 1 hour is closed, the 4-hour trade is still open. Still got a target set here. And hopefully that will come down now fast and hit that target for us also. New trades would still be a retracement back to this area here. If I draw in the Fibonacci on this swing from that high to this low here, see here at the 61% fib, I like this level still and I'm keen on taking a trade there. Well, that's now if I get a reversal and it goes back there and I get some counter reversals, but that's something to watch for later today. And then also the New Zealand US. Unfortunately, I got my final target hit there and it flew up 90 pips after that. But we went long here and long again there. And we've hit multiple targets all over the place. And our final target got hit yesterday there at 61.19. And this trade is then closed out at a very nice profit of about a risk reward of 1 to 3.5. So that was a very, very nice trade. Now then for today, I'm still interested. New Zealand still has all the sparkle left that I want. If I draw in the Fibonacci there, you'll see here that this swing here, that high there, I'm still interested in trading that level. So if I'm lucky enough that it retraces back there, I'll get interested on some candle reversals. And the S&P 500 still on a weak dollar, stock market bullish. I'm still waiting for the retracement back to the support levels here, right at the 61 Fibonacci level. And the New Zealand yen, nice break yesterday, never gave me any form of an entry, but if it gets back to this level here, I will then look at the retest, some counter reversals, or then still this swing here, the 61% Fibonacci at market structure here. Very interested in getting long if I see bounces of any of these two levels. Dow Jones, I lifted the level slightly to the 50% level, market confirming this structure here. If it gets back there, I'll look for some long trades on bullish candle reversals. And on the pound yen, still got this flag pattern here, pound stronger than the yen. So I would love to see a break and then the retest. That's what I'm after. If I get a break and a retest, strong run up the page, nice consolidation into a flag pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4th attempt usually it breaks. So I'm looking for the break and then the retest and then the candle reversals. That'll get me to go long there. Aussie US, big swing up there, retracement back to 61% there. I'll get interested. Australian dollar, much stronger than the dollar. That's why I'm interested at buying this pair at this 61% level on some candle reversals. Gold missed me yesterday, couldn't get into the trade. Beautiful run after that, but on the retracement, this swing here at the 50% retracement, right at market structure about 2018, I'll get interested as long as the dollar stays weak. Then the US yen, last swing coming down here, retracement back to 61%, US much weaker than the yen, so I'm really interested in shorting there if I can get some candle reversals. And then the euro Australian dollar, last swing here, getting back to this market structure here. You can see a lot of support came in there, and then it became resistance. Euro much weaker than the Australian dollar, so I'm looking at some shorts here on candle reversals. Then the euro yen, last swing trend just turned bearish. On the retracement, euro weaker than the yen. I'm looking at the 61% FIP level, and when I get candle reversals there, I'll do some shorts. New Zealand CAD, lovely run yesterday, now taking profit. New Zealand, all the sparkle. CAD, zero sparkle. So on the retest at this market structure, right at 61% level, I'll start to look for some longs on bullish pattern reversals. And the euro New Zealand, euro way weaker than the New Zealand. Again, New Zealand sparkle everywhere. Don't overexpose yourself. Make sure to watch the live stream where you can see how many trades I do take on 1 hour and 4 hours, guys. You can live follow that and then trade with me the signals I do on the YouTube video here. But on the retest here, market structure, support, now could potentially come resistance. I'm just looking for that candle reversals up there, or any pattern reversals that you like to trade. Anything there for the short there. Euro US, not too fond of this one, but it's on my list. If I zoom out a little bit, euro stronger than the US, but they're both on the bearish side. But if you compare only those two, the euro are stronger than the US. Still fine with it. I'll proceed cautiously on this one. These two levels at the 61% level, that market structure there of this last swing, and also this resistance here becoming support. When it hits that level, I'll also look for some longs on bullish pattern reversal. So two levels to watch on this one, but I'll be cautious. This euro is getting dangerously close to the dollar, and it's also weak comparing to other currencies. But on the individual comparison, it's still stronger than the dollar. My favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the pound US. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on my daily trade ideas. Now, let's get back to the pound US. Pound, solid run up the page after a little bit of a flat top triangle there, and a retest would be my cue to start to look for longs. Pound much stronger than the dollar, so a retest here on this last swing, I would look for some candle reversals. Amazing strong trend, and I don't know how long it will keep going. Well, I guess until we are wrong. But on the retracement here, I'll get interested in any form of bottom pattern reversal or candle reversals on 1 hour and or 4 hour time frames. But trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.